Okay, my students, finding trig functions of angles. So sine of 180, we know that 180 is a multiple of 90, so that means it's a quadrantal angle. It's on an axis, so we pick a point. So this axis, we pick -1, 0. Sine is y over r, so y is 0. R is 1, so it would be 0. Wee-hee. Cosine 90, again, quadrantal angle. So we pick a point, 0, 1. Cosine is x over r. R would be 1. X is 0, so another 0. Oh, we have radians. Pi is 180 divided by 2 is 90, negative. So we still have another quadrantal angle. It would be 0, -1 would be the point. Now, tangent is y over x. X is 0, it's in the bottom or denominator. So therefore it's undefined. Now, I did radians for the rest of them. I don't know why, if that's good or bad, but I did. But these are not quadrantal angles. So the changing of 180 divided by 4 is 45, times 3 is 135. Now, when you get to junior year or in honors pre-calc, you'll actually have to memorize the radian chart. But I don't make ya. 135 would be about here. The second quadrant, cosine's negative in the second quadrant because cosine's x over r. X is negative to the left, so it'd be a negative cosine of 135. And then the reference angle would be 45 degrees. So it'd be a negative cosine of 45. And you got to know cosine of 45 is 1 over the square root of 2. Pi is 180 divided by 6 would be 30, times 5 is 150. So you have tangent of a -150. So that would be this way. Tangent is positive in the third quadrant. And the reference angle between the terminal side and the closest x-axis would be 30 degrees. And the tangent of 30 is 1 over the square root of 3. Or if you want to rationalize it, it's the square root of 3 over 3. So my peeps, I have 3 more. This one, and this one. Do those 3 and then turn me back on. Okay, so 180 is pi. 180 divided by 3 is 60. Times 2 is 120. Now, I like to make a drawing. Really don't have to. I just like to. Sine is positive in the second quadrant. The reference angle between the terminal side and close x-axis would be 60 degrees. And the sine of 60, oh, I know that. It's the square root of 3 over 2. Secant is the reciprocal of cosine. So we could just find cosine and then take a reciprocal or flip it. So let's see what we have here. 180 is pi divided by 6 is 30. A -30 would be right here. In the fourth quadrant, cosine is positive, so secant is positive. So we'd have secant of 30 degrees. Now, cosine of 30 is a half, so secant of 30 would be 2. And the last one, 180 divided by 6 is 30, times 13 is 390. Now 360 is all the way around. Whoop. So we're in the first quadrant. Everything is positive in the first quadrant. So this would be sine, and it would be 30 degrees as your reference angle between the closest x-axis terminal side. And sine of 30 is a half. Oops, I'm sorry, I had that cut off. That was my bad, but sine of 30, 390 all the way around first quadrant. 30 degrees is the reference angle, and so it'd be a half. Hey, that was fun.